Budol na kayo. Oh. Tayo na kayo. Sige doon. Tanong.
For safety reasons, do not rush into the train or block the train doors when they are closing.
Pera ba? Pera
usag ka na naman.
Wala ka, grabe ka ba ya?
Kaya nga sabihin ko na
Mga blooming, mga ano ko.
Wailis ka na namin.
Taga dito.
na-ready na.
Nag-reserve ka ng maraming battery. Dapat
wifi nyo. Thank you.
Anak naman ng puto-puto.
Hoy, dito na lang ako. Hoy, dyan. Pwede magtayo.
Sa pinakalikod tayong lima.
Magtayo.
O, sama-sama tayong lima doon. Hindi mo pagalitan ng
Oh, di ba? Para pala to sa atin.
Ano yung vlogger ang nasa gitna ka? Dali.
Para pala to sa amin, no? Para sa atin to.
Pa-picture ka. Pa-picture ka ganyan.
Oh, para lagi daw to sa atin. Ay, salamat.
Mamaya kasi may edit ka.
No, basta ka dito. Guys, di, yan.
Inday, sama mo kami sa vlog mo, Inday.
Everybody say hi.
Ay, hindi pala tayo kasali.
Okay, go. That's how good puti papa.
Mapapauwi na.
Okay. Camera to dinay ako every time na last pictures. Many pictures. China, Universal Emperor, we just have the red seal, right? Red seal, for power and prestige. Yeah, prestige. So that's right. Everybody, today, so I hope everybody let you know, yeah, all of us, we can just wear the same color, same outfit. Then we can take the small group photo. We can take the family photo. Can take the good friends photo all together. So. Okay, so everybody just like this. Every time now, you see all the red, all like the red flowers. All red flowers. Okay? Anywhere we go, yeah, we really like. Okay, every time now. Oh yeah. You see? Only know the red color, okay, can match. There's not traditional style, the Shakespeare here. So that's right. And also the most important things, okay, today, I will have today after we finish this tour, and this outfit and the campaign, you're all good luck. So if you have a small business, okay, sure, can get a very number of income. for buyers. Then, okay, if you just work on the job, okay, just raise your salary better and better, right? So if you are still single, okay, just very good luck. You can meet your dream guy. So that's why all that just for the good luck here. So today, everybody. Now, let me show you. So first, okay, during all of this now, I'm going to show here. First, okay, is the fixing is quality. This quality, okay, yeah, because you wear this for a long time already. Never fit. The color never fit. Okay, now color never change. This cotton ones. Okay, if you bought this one, that's why you cannot buy in Hong Kong. Hong Kong bought this one because this the local special ones here. So in Hong Kong you buy this about 200 Hong Kong dollar because it's customer made, right? Customer side made. So that okay. So this one that's better special design only in center here. This one first body, sure, it's body with different size. Okay, not only. Everybody you can see the body. Yeah, that's the best body. Yeah, just one fast food price. Yeah, one bubble tea price. Yeah. And also I can sure that's the best case in that's Asian.
Style ng balagbahan. Oh, marami oh. Mga old. Oo. Ganda ang anong pandas. Wow. Itik. Yun yung ano nila, yung roasted ba? Oo. Ang tourist din yun, di ba? Yung tourist spot din yun. Oo. Oh, ganda. Ganda yan ang atin yun, explore. Gabi. Gabi ba?
Number 11. Everything agrees, right? Okay, so you know you're 6 people. So now you're number 11. Okay, so now we just arrange our big group okay, into 11 small groups. So now, okay, let me see. Okay, let's group 1. Okay, good. Group 2. Let's group 2. Group number 2 where? Group 2, yeah. Okay, I know that. Okay, let's group 3. Yes, okay, and then group 4. Okay, group 5. Group 6. Group 7. Okay, group 8. And 9. Okay, group 10. Okay, the biggest group, number 11. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, so later, now when we get the restaurant. Okay, now I just arrange 4 tables for all our groups. So later now, for table number 1. So just go for group 1, group 2, and group 10. Okay, group 1, group 2, and group 10. You just now take the first table, number 1. And later, okay, group 3, group 4, and group 6. You will take the table number 2. Okay, then okay, group 9, group 7, and group 8. You will take table number 3. Then the last 2 groups, okay, so group 9 and group 11. So you will take table number 4. So today now, we will get 4 tables for all our groups. Okay, so look now, if you I don't know what table now we take. Okay, but I will tell you. Okay, I will show you which table you will take here. Okay, so that's for the table arrangement. Okay, so guys, now today now we're gonna do it. I'm the online guide here, and I just run all your passports, your Hong Kong IDs, and your group visas here. So yeah, so I just take now real quick now. Okay, we take the same bus. But your valuable things like your jewelry, your cell phone, your camera, and your some much better that can carry. But like some other no need in the restaurant. Okay, no need. Okay, here. So you can leave them here. Just remember when we come back to the bus, just take the same seat. Okay? Because if you change your seat, some people maybe cannot find your belongings. So just remember. Okay? Now where we sit. Okay? Later when we come back, we take the seat number, seat number.
Pag may baba ko, may gusto kumain sa gitna ng palayan. May gusto magtanim ng palay. Hindi ako nag-iisa. Ganda rin dito.
Yeah, by the way, okay, so later now, when you are have your lunch, okay, after lunch, okay, so you can go to the washroom to change, okay, to change the shirt, okay. So some of you, yeah, you just got that shirt before, also you can change there, okay. And then some people you just not get the new shirt from David, also you can change there. Yeah, by the way, anybody, yeah, you want to get, okay, the new shirt. This is really special, no, for good memory. So also you can let me know in the restaurant, even now or even in the restaurant, okay. And later now, everybody, when we take the pictures, first, everybody will take the solo picture, solo, okay, one by one. We just, okay, so this picture, okay, first, okay, for the immigration. That's why, every time, very strict, okay, when we are foreigners, we enter China, first they will ask, okay, maybe today, we're not asking one by one, but they will ask, okay, where we are going to go, or where's our itinerary. So that's why at last also, now we will, okay, fax, that's all the pictures to the immigration office. Okay, they will have that just as record. Then second, okay, the company also will have that picture. Then at last, also everybody you can get one picture from here. So that's why that picture is really, really important. It's really, really important. So later everybody, now we are 42 here. Later now we take the 42 solo pictures first. Then at last, okay, all of us together take the one group photo. Okay, so after that, then we go to restaurant. So you have a local meal here. Yes, now I like this now, like the countryside view here. So it's really, really nice. Oh. Yes, now here we almost at the restaurant. So let's now we just take the pictures just beside the restaurant here. Yeah, take the picture first. Yeah, we will spend about 10 minutes, okay, to take the solo picture and the group picture. Then we let's have lunch. Just remember, everybody take the one solo picture here. I'm the photographer.
Vlogger, oh. Ito yung vlog.
Wow. So hot here in China. Right? Tayo po. So, iba din sila. Ayun yan, no? Doon na yun pala.
Saan kaya, ano sila?
Lalaki kayo na. Makati din.
Makati din? Hindi nga, wala tayong video pero sa tayo ng taglo-DIY.
Yung brands mo maganda-ganda. Katagal nyo naman magpa-picture, dala na. Pwede naman siguro hindi mag-picture? Kailangan talaga? Oo. Pwede siguro.
Bye. Okay.
Ah. Oh, wow. Ay,
拿一个，哎，拿一个。
bisa?
这。
Bisa?
把10块钱呢？给你。
Where's your makeup? Where is it put on?
So now these people from group 1, group 2, and group 10. 这张也是11个人是吧？No, no, okay. Wait, check. Okay, this one and this one. No, wait, everybody. Okay. Okay, this table 3. Okay. Table 1, table 3, table 2, table 4. Table 2. There, this one.
May ano kayo, te? May kasama pa kayo? Usok na lang, te. Usok na lang. Thank you.
So, ito natin.
If you put your hand in mine, I can never be alone. I can never